started our journey with the slogan, "We work hard because we are the second." We became the first private airline in Turkey, entitled for the IATA, International Air Transport Association membership, which accepts the most outstanding airlines of the world. And then, we obtained the IOSA Safety Certificate, which IATA gives to the most reliable airlines in the world, after evaluating them with over 900 criteria. We have been continuously developing our service quality as one of the first companies in the sector to obtain the ISO 9001-2000 quality certificate and the EFQM Committed to Excellence certificate by implementing the related program. We transport passengers of more than 60 airlines coming to our country from America, Australia, South Africa, Sweden, and from all corners of the world to various points in Turkey, and we enable them to fly back. With the youngest fleet in Turkey, flying domestic routes, operating scheduled flights to various points, such as Istanbul, Izmir, Antalya, Mykonos, Cyprus, and with our pilots' average experience of 20 years, we have been continuously working. Flight safety has always been our first priority. For this reason, every year we regularly deliver our cabin attendants all necessary training, such as emergency cases, flight safety, and mock-up. We ensure that our engineering team perform all flight safety-related maintenances in accordance with the strictest civil aviation rules. With our friendly and well-trained cabin crew, we offer a good journey, a pleasant atmosphere, with comfortable leather seats and special catering service. We are at our passengers' disposal, with our call center serving 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. We make the lives of our passengers easy with JetMe, the first loyalty program of Turkey, providing free trip opportunity, and with Fly and Bus application, enabling easy transportation to places unreachable by aircraft. With e-ticket application, which is a novelty in Turkey, we provide our passengers with the facility of ticketless flights. Thus, we let them fly with a password that we send to their mobile phones when they book their flights through internet or phone. While achieving these novelties, we, as over 600 Atlasjet staff, have always believed that we have to work harder. For this reason, we have succeeded in surpassing the seat occupancy rates of 86%. However, despite all our great achievements, we know that we have to work even harder than ever, because after all, we are still the second. Still the second signifies our never-ending passion for leadership.